Hello viewers, so today we are touring this magnificent 5-bedroom fully detached home located in one of the choicest estates here in Chevron. Okay, this is a 450 million naira home over here in a very secured and exclusive estate in Chevron, which if you are into living in a secure home and for a quality lifestyle, you trust me, you quickly want to look at getting this for your family home, especially because of the serene neighborhood, the quality of people who live in this estate. You absolutely want to check out this home. Now, before I flip the camera and give you a detailed tour on this home, if you're new to my channel, you kindly want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this particular home. And one thing that stood out for me in this particular home is that it has a sit-out area with greenery. This is not something we tend to see all the time in the Lagos real estate market, and I am sure you will absolutely love the tour of this beautiful home. With that said, welcome home. As usual, so this is the ambience of the estate. We actually have 7 units of this home. 3 are currently sold out, so we still have 4 in the market. So this is a 5-bedroom fully detached home. No swimming pool. They just thought of putting out the sit-out area with greenery just over there. Okay, so this is what we have here. So let me take you through the exterior just before we go inside. So you have your walkway right here, and we've got a BQ just behind the home. So this property is located in one of a very exclusive estate here in Chevron. Good security, great neighborhood. So this is the BQ. Okay, so this is the BQ just right here. Have your BQ here, and it comes with its own bathroom. Okay, so this is your meter box. This is your meter box where you can do your changeover, where you have your prepaid meter and all of that. Now, this is another entrance to the primary sitting area. So you have this slide door, so you can have access to this other side. So you have 2 entrances. You have from here and you have from that door where we'll be entering from. So this is your sit-out area with your greenery. Of course, it will get to be trimmed from time to time. Okay. So we have other grasses that are also growing here. So it will be trimmed from time to time. So this is your sit out area. So let's go right inside, okay? So you have your design just right here. You have your design just right here, just before we step inside. So this is your primary living area. And I absolutely love the floor to ceiling window, giving it enough natural light flowing into the living area. So from this corner, you see what it looks like. And this is the door that I told you about. You have your TV console just right there. And just here, you have your kitchen. Have your kitchen. You've got your island. So this is the kitchen. Of course, it comes with high ceiling. So here it's feeling really cozy. So you have your oven, your microwave over there, and that's your space for your double door freezer. You have your 5-burner gas cooker here, your heat extractor, and you have a space for your washing machine just right here. So let me know what you think of this home. You've got compartments as well. This door leads you to the backyard. So let's go upstairs. No, there's one room here. We have one room downstairs. So that's the powder room. So you have it just right here. I love high ceilings. It gives, it enables proper ventilation in a home. So just by my right here, you have your visitors room. Have your visitors room just right here. So you see this space just here. And this is the bathroom for this unit. So this is what the room looks like. Okay, so let's quickly go upstairs. Haven't seen this, and you have this space just underneath the staircase. The staircase has sensor lights. So when you get upstairs, this is your family lounge. Your family lounge, you've got your TV console just right here. You have your window just by this staircase. And I love this space just right here. You see, even without lights being in this place is very bright because of the windows, which is enabling natural light coming. So we have one room just right here. We have this room right here. This is obviously the master's. Okay, you have your TV console there. You have this door right here that leads you to, oh, it's not open, that leads you to the balcony. So this is the balcony for this unit. All right. So over here you have your closet. You have your closet. Have your bathroom right here. Have your bathtub, your walk-in shower. This is beautiful. And just from here, you have another view, even with no lights. You see here it's still very bright. Okay, so good, well sizable windows allowing natural light. So let's go see the other rooms. So you have one room just right here. So this is one of the rooms just here. The rooms are quite sizable. You have your ensuite bathroom right here, your walk-in shower. And just by this place, we have two more rooms. Remember, it's a 5-bedroom. So we have one room here. The rooms are quite sizable. Have your ensuite bathroom right here. Has a walk-in shower. So over here, you have this room. So let me know what you think of this home. Let me know what you think of this home. I see a door just by the family lounge. So the family lounge has its balcony also. So this is the balcony. And this is your neighborhood. You can see sold. You can see sold. This is also sold. And the one beside this one is also sold. Okay. So, hi. So let me know what you think of this home. If you're currently in the market looking for a home in a very serene and exclusive estate here at Chevron, then you strongly want to consider this particular one. Every description, every details will be in the description, alongside my phone number will be in the comment section. So go through it and get in contact with me if you would like to make this your home. Bye and see you in the next video.